Welded this morning. One of our good friends, customer. This thing fell off.
This whole thing fell off. So we did our best. He wants to keep everything
stock and
all that. So you can see where it was starting to break loose, and then we welded that. So it's good.
Put that thing. Look at all the rust. That'll take off. That's inside, so everything's back. Nice little example right here. So these are the cars you started off on, right? This is it right here. This is it. Nice.
Me right here all day long.
Shoot.
In my old Southern California day.
Beamer. This is the E30, right?
E30.
E30. All I need now is a K-swap. No.
I don't know.
Yeah, the M motors, boy, they're nice.
You can find it.
You gonna get another one day?
I can find one this clean.
If it comes up this clean. But right now he's sporting that wagon BMW. Look, oh, we have another BMW up there. That's MyLynh BMW getting valve cover job.
Just like that, we became a BMW shop.
Now we're European, you know? Get them fixed here or take them down to midnight for tuning, see? How's your BMW going?
Going good.
Well, valve cover gasket?
Yeah. No.
Hey, just like Gabe, 8 hours later.
Don't work on BMW.
Gabe!
Yeah.
Gabe! He's catching up on you, he's tripping on you. Mine
Right there.
8 hours
We're right there, Gabe.
No more Europeans.
5 hours later.
Almost there. But yeah, man, these N54 twin turbos, yeah, sometimes they're like a
And all
pain.
you're doing is just an oil change.
Oil change, Gabe. Oil change all day.
Bimmer shop.